Once again, it's time for the Gatton CNC challenge. I'm Harry Ragland, and I'm doing a festive coaster slash ornament. I'm going to use my Prusa 3D printer to produce this, and it's based on a design by a mathematician named Gosper, and it's a fractal snowflake. What's happening now is the printer's laying down the first layer of PLA, which is silver in color. And what it's going to do is print halfway through the coaster, and then it's going to stop. And then I'm going to add another color filament and continue printing, and it will give the coaster a two-color look. So here it's purging the filament, and I'm switching over to gold. If I only had my coaster finished, I could put my beverage on it. Here you can see how it's hollow and the infill's being added, and here it's finishing up with the top layer. So this is the second order Gosper snowflake, but I did it again as a third order Gosper snowflake. The third order, you can see here, has far more detail, and it's a lot more fun. Here you can see it as a coaster, and here it looks festive on the tree.